My Day 60 Live Challenge. Create a ripple effect. Hi everyone, I'm Rosalie. Today, let's talk about how one act of kindness can start a ripple that changes lives. Alright, isang mabuting gawa mo lang, pwedeng magbago ng direksyon ng buhay ng iba. Pero minsan, iniisip natin, wala naman akong malaking nagagawa, kaya tumitigil tayo sa pagtulong o pagbibigay ng inspirasyon. But deep inside, gusto nating maging dahilan ng ngiti ng iba. Gusto nating maging instrumento ng positivity at pag-asa. Alam mo yun. But we never underestimate the ripple of kindness. God can take even your smallest gesture, isang simpleng ngiti, panalangin o salita ng pag-asa, and turn it into something far greater than you can imagine. Minsan hindi mo agad nakikita ang epekto nito, pero sa puso ng taong natulungan mo, nagsimula ng pagbabago. Remember, kindness moves like water, tahimik pero makapangyarihan. Your one act of love can travel through families, friendships, and even generation. When you choose to respond with grace instead of anger, when you lift someone up instead of judging, you're planting seeds of light that God will cause to grow in His perfect time. So don't stop doing good just because it feels small. Its act done in love becomes part of God's bigger plan. Be the person who choose kindness again and again, because one ripple from you can become waves of transformation in the world. Follow me for more. See you tomorrow again for my next live video. Remember, God loves you.